How do you open the box? Take the key attached on the back. Fold the key along the dotted line. Place the key on the brown tab. Be careful, do not insert the key into this hole. Slide the key in between the flap and the brown tab. Now it's ready to be opened. Leave the key in and open like a normal box. What if you lose the key? You can use any key. Place the key on the brown tab. Slide the key in between the flap and the brown tab. Now it's ready to be opened. Once you get used to it, you can also open the box without a key. Push the brown tab down with your index finger. With your thumb and forefinger, grab the flap and open the box. How to close the box. Place the arrow above the orange dots and below the blue line. Push the arrow in until it clicks in place. Now the box is locked and safe.